Gentoo Homes have been building a wide range of homes across the region for the last 15 years. We've got developments as far down as Gisborough, right up to Prudhoe in Northumberland. Customer care is very important to Gentoo Homes. It is at the heart of our business model. Prior to introducing clixifix, we didn't have a robust enough system to manage and monitor defects being reported by customers. It was very manual for the staff. There was a lot of repetitive work involved in that, and quite often things would go missing. The introduction of clixifix has fixed all of that.
We were working from Excel spreadsheets, which didn't prove for a very seamless system at all. This affected our customers because we couldn't keep them up to date with how we were proceeding with their defects on their property. Once we implemented the clixifix system, that changed everything. It's a full 360 with clixifix. Not only do we involve team members and subcontractors, but also other departments within the group. So we have a clear definition of exactly what is going on with each ticket.
The main thing for me around the clixifix system is the monitoring and being able to measure the outputs and the outcomes.
It has allowed me as a manager of the customer care team to run reports more efficiently, to ensure that the key performance indicators that we set for our subcontractors are met. And it just gives me a little bit more scope to look into why they're not being met if that's the case. The support has been great from clixifix. Not only can we pick up the telephone and speak to a member across on the clixifix team, they also have live chat, and I know both myself and the team find that very beneficial because we can get immediate answers and assistance where needed.
I would absolutely recommend clixifix. It's helped our business enormously since we introduced it. We've had some great feedback from the staff who work with it day in, day out, and I think the product in itself would be a massive help to anyone who manages a defect processing system like we do in Gentoo Homes.